well as a powered sunroof, heated rear seating, adaptive cruise control, roof rack, and so much more. Check it out. Well, moving on to the interior here, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling and storage on the bottom, right next to the speakers, your gas cap. You'll have the power windows and locks, as well as the seat memory and the chrome handle here. You're going to have these premium leather heated and cooled seats, super comfortable. Left side, you'll have the ventilation. Turn that down a little bit. You'll have the power mirrors with the econ mode. Just below that, you're going to have your cargo lamps, as well as park assist and lane departure warning, as well as your forward collision. Left side of the steering wheel will be your source, and as well as your screen switch for the infotainment, as well as voice recognition and heated steering wheel at the bottom. Right side is your cruise control, lane keep assist, and here for the odometer control. Now for the odometer, you can pretty much access all of your vehicles, including your compass, your gauges here, and as well as your trip info. It's just pretty straightforward. It's going to be push to start here. Let's move on to the infotainment system. You're going to have your Bluetooth connectivity as well as Honda Link and navigation included here. You can also have truck bed audio, which is pretty cool. That's pretty much just all you can see here, as well as you have other menus you can select from as well. You're going to have your tri-zone climate control, as well as the heated and cooled seats and the CD player just below. And below that, a USB port with a 12 volt with some extra storage. Of course, the cup holder, and as well as the shifter, and center console with an extra USB and a 12 volt as well. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. It's going to have that armrest right there, heated and cooled. Pretty much the same cross speakers and vents up top here as well. And then here you can access your reading lamps and that powered sunroof. You're going to have these 18-inch wheels on Firestone Destination tires. You're going to have the paint match mirror caps with the chrome keyless entry door handle. Coming to the back, trailer hitch on the bottom here. Again, this is a truck bed. You're going to have lamps in the back as well. You can also go down here, lift this up, extra storage, and as you can see, you're going to have that spare tire with the jack. Lots of extra storage space. It's a very spacious room. And moving on to the rear interior, you're going to have speakers. You're going to have the cup holders up here with the power windows. Hop in. Not a whole lot of leg room, but you're going to have storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear ventilation, rear heated seating, as well as your climate controls with 2 USB ports at the bottom. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Power rear sliding window, storage under these seats with lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Honda Ridgeline Touring. It comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as heated and cooled seats, roof rack, truck bed audio, adaptive cruise control.